Hi, PaolaJo from Cedar Quilts with a quick tip Tuesday for you. I have lots of allergies and sensitivities, so even though I could use a chalk pencil, but then I have to deal with the dust, or I could use a heat friction erasable marker, but then I have to make sure that it erases properly. Or you can use, there's oodles of good options, lots of ways to mark. But sometimes I don't want to use water or heat or anything on here, and I just want to be quick and easy and whatnot. There are oodles of good options, and one of my favorites is just using an old quilting needle. And I can poke my marks in, and if I change my mind, I can just scratch it a little bit and it erases, especially if I'm using cherrywood hand-dyed fabrics. Oh my goodness, they're wonderful. But using a needle to mark your spots so that you can then line up your rulers and do your wiggle ditch or do your straight lines. It's a wonderful way. It's one of my favorite options for marking, especially on cherrywood. Oh, I just love it. So anyway, keep coming back for some more Quick Tip Tuesdays and helpful hints. Thanks so much. See you later. Toodaloo.